Welcome students. Now I am going to discuss about compound. In previous class we have learnt about non-metals and physical properties of non-metals. A compound is a pure substance which is formed due to two or more elements chemically combined. A compound is a two or more elements chemically combined. For example, water, sugar and common salt. What is the formula for water? Water is the formula H2O. It contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So water is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. Next example of sodium chloride. What is the formula for common salt? Sodium chloride. NaCl. Salt contains 1 atom of sodium and 1 atom of chlorine elements. In compounds they have two types: organic compounds, inorganic compounds. The organic compounds always contains carbon atoms. What is the formula for carbon? C. Compounds are obtained from living sources such as plants, animals, etc. For example, protein, carbohydrate. In carbohydrate is made up of a long chain of carbon atoms. In carbohydrate is made up of a long chain of carbon atoms. Next type, inorganic compounds. The compounds are obtained from non-living sources are called as inorganic compounds. In the inorganic compounds, they do not contain carbon atoms. In inorganic compounds, they do not contain carbon atoms. For example, chalk, baking powder, NaCl, sand, water, etc. Some important compounds that exist in solid state. The first compound, silica. It is the other name silicon dioxide. It is a chemical formula SiO2. It is made up of 1 atom of silicon and 2 atoms of oxygen. Silica makes up the minerals is called quartz. It is the main component of sand. Second one, potassium hydroxide. It is a chemical formula KOH. It is the other name caustic potash. So it is made up of potassium, hydrogen and oxygen elements. It is a colorless solid. It has many uses in industrial. Third one, sodium hydroxide. It is the other name caustic soda. It is made up of sodium, oxygen and hydrogen elements. It is a chemical formula NaOH. It is an ionic compound because it is made up of metal ions of sodium and attached to a non-metal ions of hydroxide. Fourth one, copper sulfate. It is a chemical formula CuSO4. It is an inorganic compound. It is made up of copper, sulfur and oxygen elements. It is used for copper plating. Last one, zinc carbonate. It is a chemical formula ZnCO3. It is made up of zinc, carbon, oxygen elements. It is used as a pigment in the manufacture of rubber. Next, important compounds that exist in liquid state. First one, water. Water is the chemical formula H2O. It contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Next one, hydrochloric acid. It is the chemical formula HCl. It is used to help digest your stomach and also used in the protection of batteries and fireworks. It is made up of hydrogen and chlorine. Third one, nitric acid. It is a chemical formula HNO3. It contains hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen elements. It is used for manufacturing explosives such as cottons, gun, etc. It is also used for manufacturing fertilizers like calcium nitrate and ammonium nitrate. Fourth one, sulfuric acid. It is a chemical formula H2SO4. It is made up of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen elements. It is used for fertilizers, dyes, detergent, pigments, etc. Then last one, acetic acid. It is a chemical formula CH3COOH. It is the simplest name for carboxylic acid. It is used in the protection of plastic soft drinks bottles and many synthetic fibers and fabrics. It is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen elements. Next one, the importance of compounds that exist in the gaseous state. The first one, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. It is a colorless gaseous substance. In carbon monoxide, the sources used in homes, water heater, clothes dryers, gas stoves and ovens, etc. It is made up of carbon and oxygen elements only. Second one, sulfur dioxide. It is a chemical formula SO2. It is a major component of acid rain. So it is easily dissolved in water to form sulfuric acid. It contains sulfur and oxygen elements only. Third one, methane. It is a chemical formula CH4. It is used in making other chemical elements. It is a colorless and odorless substance. It contains carbon and hydrogen elements only. Fourth one, nitrogen dioxide. It is a chemical formula NO2. Nitrogen dioxide, it is a chemical formula NO2. It contains nitrogen and oxygen elements. It is used to produce rocket fuels, explosives, etc. Last one, ammonia. It is a chemical formula NH3. It contains nitrogen and hydrogen elements. It is used to manufacture of plastics, textiles, pesticides, dyes, etc. Next, uses of compounds. The first one, water. The scientific name, hydrogen oxide. It contains hydrogen and oxygen elements only. It is used for drinking and solvent. Second one, common salt. It is a scientific name, sodium chloride. It is a chemical formula NaCl. It contains sodium and chlorine elements. It is used to the components of our daily diet and a preservative for meat and fish. Third one, sugar. It is a chemical name sucrose. It contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen elements. It is a source of sweetness, energy and carbohydrates. It is used for preparation of sweets and toffees. Next one, packing soda. It is a chemical name sodium bicarbonate. It contains sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen elements. It is used to preparation of packing powder and cakes, bread and fire extinguisher. Next one, washing soda. It is a chemical name sodium carbonate. It contains sodium, carbon and oxygen elements. It is used for cleaning agent in soap and softening of hard water. Next one, bleaching powder. It is a chemical name calcium oxychloride. It contains calcium, oxygen and chlorine elements. It is one of the bleaching agent. It is a sterilization of drinking water. Next one, quicklime. It is other name calcium oxide. It contains calcium and oxygen elements. It is used for manufacturing of a cement and glass. The last one, limestone. It is a chemical name calcium carbonate. It contains calcium, carbon and oxygen elements. It is used to preparation of chalk pieces. I hope all are understood these topics. Thank you for listening, students.